Kuringana na Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri, kurugurio kwa ruhonge ruru rwa KUNPHI gugukorwo na itemi inene hari guteithiriria urigiriria wa mirimu o undu umwe na kuramata mutaratara wa UHC. Minister andu atariirie mamwe ma maundu maria mathamirio ruhonge-ini ruru ni hamwe na ukinyaniria wa motungata ma hinahi, motungata ma laboratory, uthuthuria wa ugima wa muingi gatagati-ini ka mangi.
Around the world, the National Public Health Institutes serve as central hubs that bring together surveillance, emergency response, health research and policy coordination under one roof.
Hamwe noguo Duale oigite ari na umate ruhonge ruru ni rugukinyaniria matanya ma ministry gukwa kiuria anyiti itemi kunyitanira niguo gutigirira sekta ya ugima wa mwiri ni agacira.
From the COVID-19 pandemic to the Ebola outbreaks in neighboring countries have taught us hard lessons. They have demonstrated that no country is immune to global health threats and that preparedness, early detection, and rapid response are not optional.
Murugamiriri ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri rwa thi Dr. Diaro oigite WHO ni hariirie kurugama na bururi wa Kenya hari gutigirira motungata ma ugima wa mwiri ni magaciru na muingi ni uramamukira na njira ya raithi.
Their capacity must be continually built, nurtured and protected because people are the cornerstone of resilience. As WHO, we recognize the immense value that public health institutes bring in promoting global health security.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.